How to add or remove the media page on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Home Screen. After click on Home Screen, scroll down and you will see Add Media Page to Home Screen is here. If you want to remove media page to home screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see media page to home screen is removed. If you want to add media page to home screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see add media page to home screen is turned on and add. So you will add or remove media page to the home screen from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove the media page to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.